You know that feeling, right? Where you feel like you're just drowning in a sea of digital busywork? Well, today, we're going to look at a tool that promises to be a lifeline. It's an AI assistant called Assista, and it's built to automate all those tedious little tasks that eat up our day. Let's see if it actually delivers.
I mean, just think about your average workday for a second. How much of it is spent on those small, mindless, repetitive chores? Copying info from one app and pasting it into another, sending the same follow-up email over and over, or just organizing files. It's this endless loop of stuff that isn't hard, but man, it drains your time and your focus.
And that's the real problem, isn't it? It's not just about the lost minutes, it's about the lost focus. Every single time you get pulled into one of those low-value tasks, you're pulled away from the big stuff, the creative thinking, the problem-solving, the work that actually makes a difference. So, what's the fix?
Well, this is exactly where a whole new wave of tools is coming into play. The one we're digging into today, Assista, is designed specifically to take on that digital grind by being your own personal AI assistant.
Assista's entire philosophy really boils down to these three simple words: type, automate, connect. And that's not just some clever tagline. It's literally what it does. The whole idea is you just type a command, and the tool automates the entire process by connecting to the apps you're already using every day.
So what is Assista exactly? Think of it as a system of AI agents. You can imagine them like these tiny, super specialized robots living inside your computer, and they're built to work across all your different apps. Their one and only job? To hunt down and completely eliminate your busy work.
Okay, that all sounds fantastic in theory, but how does it actually work? Let's peel back the layers and get into the nitty-gritty of the core features that make all this automation possible.
So the whole system really stands on three main pillars. First, seamless integration, so it actually plays nice with your current setup. Second, AI-powered workflows. That's the real engine doing all the heavy lifting. And finally, and this is a big one, it's designed to be secure and private. Let's break each one down real quick.
First up, integration. This is absolutely key. A new tool is pretty much useless if it makes you change your entire way of working, right? So the whole point here is that Assista is designed to slide right into the ecosystem of apps you already use without causing a huge headache.
And they really back this up by connecting with over 50 different applications. We're talking about the big ones you use every single day. Tools like Slack for team chat, Discord for your communities, and Google Meet for all those calls. Basically, it's built to work right where you're already working. Next up is the real heart of the whole system, the AI-powered workflows. This is the magic that actually takes care of those repetitive tasks for you. You just delegate the boring stuff, and the AI agents go and execute all the steps, which frees you up to, focus on what actually matters. But of course, as soon as you start talking about connecting all your apps, a huge question comes up. What about security? Assista tackles this head-on by promising enterprise-grade security. The goal here is to give you total peace of mind that while your work is getting automated, all of your data stays safe and protected. Okay, so we get what it is and we get how it works, but what about actually getting it set up? Sometimes the biggest barrier to using a new tool is a super complicated installation. Let's see how Assista handles that part. So the claim is that you can get this thing up and running in just 5 seconds, which sounds a little crazy, but the process seems to back it up. It's not some complicated download from an app store. You literally just tap the share button in your phone's browser, pick Add to Home Screen, and then tap Add one more time to confirm. It's designed to be about as fast and frictionless as it gets. And that really brings us to the final big picture idea here. As tools like Assista become more and more common, they bring up a really fascinating question. We're not just talking about saving a few minutes here and there. We're talking about systematically outsourcing the most robotic, least human parts of our jobs to AI. So the question I want to leave you with is this. If AI agents handle all the busy work, what could we be free to accomplish? Could this tech literally redefine what a productive day at work even looks like?